Already complain about high rent prices here in California, and unfortunately there won't be much relief in sight thanks to a new projection. Some parts of Southern California could rise hundreds of dollars, which could change things here in Kern County. 23 ABC's Kylie Walker looked more into that report and has the details.
For many residents, a good portion of their paycheck goes straight to rent. But now those monthly bills could become even more overwhelming, as parts of California could see a significant increase in rent in the next couple of years.
Actually, the time to buy is right now, and quite possibly the time to rent is right now.
Local realtor Nona Darling says this as rent prices are soon expected to soar in parts of California. With recent annual forecasts released on Tuesday from the USC Economics Forecast, projecting sharp monthly increases across Southern California by the end of the third quarter in 2023. And those numbers show rent averages rising more than $250 a month in Los Angeles, $348 in San Diego, and a more significant jump in Orange County, with averages amounting to $410 a month.
And we're driven by the rest of the state. So when the rest of the state has higher prices, people say, well, maybe I can live somewhere less expensive. They come here.
But Darling says that could in turn hike up Kern County prices.
Whenever there's more people coming into an area than leaving the area, it's going to create increased demand and lower supply. And basic supply and demand, it's pushing it up. Right now, our vacancies are less than 1.3% citywide.
And that's a problem Heather Kimmel with the Housing Authority of Kern is concerned about. She says many local residents are already struggling to find affordable housing.
I think we are definitely seeing rents rise much more rapidly than income. So there's this disparity between how much people are paying in rent and how much they're bringing home.
Kimmel says there's a need for affordable housing and rental assistance within our community, far beyond what they are able to serve.
On our low-income public housing waiting list, we have nearly 20,000 people on that waiting list.
And even if a resident applied today, Kimmel says that some of those waiting lists could take up to 10 years. And Kimmel says there are great impacts to being rent burdened, including financially and emotionally, along with generational effects.
So what's happening today to families that are struggling to pay their rent can have impacts on their children and their grandchildren for generations to come.
Which is why Kimmel says they'll continue to work hard in an effort to provide more help.
We continue to add inventory of affordable housing to our community, continue to try and link people to rental assistance when it's available, and try and mitigate those impacts.
Now, if you are in need of rental assistance, we will have the information for the Kern Housing Authority on our website, turnto23.com. In Bakersfield, Kylie Walker, 23 ABC, connecting you.